Hello everyone, it's Hanny with something new. There are three people, my Deakin, Bea Grob and Gina Bronzini Ahrens. They have a new, made a new Facebook group, and the Facebook group is called ArtsyTrio, and they are collaborating in a monthly, well, sort of challenge. It's not a real challenge, but you can participate in their mood boards they are making. Well, I will leave a link to their Facebook group in the description below on YouTube. And what I'm going to do is show you somewhere in this screen the mood board. And I'm going to make a collage in those colors and something like that. And I gathered some stuff in the colors, orange, yellow, some greenish, and I have some lace and music paper, napkins and whatever. So I will sort some things out and choose some stuff from which I want to make a collage in my collage book. I have a few pages left. So this is the page I'm going to make the collage of this October mood board. So I'm back. It's a few days later now. I couldn't craft because I had a little accident. A little one. It's not so bad, but crafting was a bit difficult. It's going better now. I bought a dehydrator, so I'm drying food with that, and there were also courgette. I dried, I dehydrated, and well, I made slices with a thing. You've got a name for that, but I can't remember the name. But well, that went a bit wrong. And well, it hurt very much, and well, I thought it's Halloween, so it was blood everywhere. But well, this is not Halloween. This is just a mood board. There is orange in it, orange colors. So I showed you what I gathered for the collage I'm going to make, but I made a little choice. I chose some stuff, some background papers. This is one of my digitals, a magazine, music paper, magazine paper, some tissue paper. And here is some well, a card, map, and this is dyed with lace and avocados, I think. I'm not sure, or onions. I'm not sure with what I call this. So I have that. A few more pages and a doily I made myself, some well, I can't think of the words right now. Focal points, some napkin. I chose some napkin, and there's the napkin. Here a little piece of napkin left over, some washi tapes, all kinds of washi tape, stamps, butterflies, whatever in the colors, and well, the mood board. Lace and some sunflowers. So I'm going to speed it up. That's a bit too big. I'm going to speed it up and, well, I hope I and you are going to enjoy this.